Trick or treat!
Hello! Adi! Thank you, Tita Lian, Tito Jojo.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be showing you how we celebrated our Halloween this 2020. So it's not a usual year for all of us. So we thought of a different idea. We didn't go house to house just to make sure that everyone's safe. We stayed at home and we stayed within our circle. So we thought of a different idea. At the same time, the kids will still enjoy the Halloween spirit. So I hope everyone's safe and just keep on watching, and I hope you enjoyed because we enjoyed our Halloween party. Oh, trick or treat!
Hato ka ni Mami Kate. Trick or treat. Say trick or treat.
Sorry. Trick or treat!
Hello! Adi! Thank you, Tita Lian, Tito Jojo. Tapos, Johan. Where's the Johan's basket? Ano lang yung basket?
Di para may pang basket.
Here's your money basket. Oh, Adi.
Pero dyan niya naman ka na yung
Kumako.
Yoro.
Meaning ISO. Meaning ISO. You know. Pinicture mo sila.
Oh, sige. Okay lang.
Tita.
Okay lang. Thank you.
Oh, knock kayo kang ninang. Knock ninang. Di, knock ka. Knock ka ninang, bilis. Are you scared?
Hi! Here's your treat. 1, 2, 3. Oh? Ay, yadi naman. Natindi ka. Itong kayo mo, pumpkin. Your pumpkin. Ano mo?
Itang orange mong pumpkin,
Oh,
di.
excited siya kayo ng binyeta.
Di, itang orange mong pumpkin.
Excited siya. 1. Muli na nasulit. 2, 3. Thank you.